In today's video, we are going to show you how to select and move in Sketchbook. Now, this is super useful if you ever draw something in Sketchbook and realize it's in the wrong spot. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open Sketchbook and of course open your artwork. In my case, I'm going to add a new image, which is going to be this one. Now, if you want to move anything here, the first option is you want to make sure that you select the correct layer. If you can't find the layer editor in your canvas, go to Windows, check the layer editor so that the panel will appear and make sure that you selected the correct layer that you wanted to move. For example, this logo. So I'm gonna use my mouse to place it wherever I want. Whenever you select any objects or elements here, there is going to be a mouse wheel cog icon. You see that? With this tool, you can decrease the size, scale it up. There's basically a lot that you can do. Okay? Now, if you want to choose a specific part of that image, all you have to do is hover down below here. There is like an arrow beside the color wheel. If you click on it, multiple options will appear. You have the lasso wherein you can select a part of that image. Right here, you see that? One part has been selected. You see there is like an active screen. If you want to move it, all I have to do is use again the arrow, move and rotate. Now what will happen is, you see that the part has been moved. And then after that, you want to make sure that you are on the right selection. Now, if something looks wrong, all I have to do is just hit undo right here on the top by pressing Ctrl+Z. Or Command+Z if you're using Mac OS. But essentially, that's the basic of how you select and move objects in Sketchbook. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.